Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. What if I told you that you could complete your entire research methodology in just 30 minutes instead of spending days reading textbooks? Imagine your research topic is the impact of social media on youth. Instead of feeling confused about research design, sampling, questionnaires, or data analysis, AI tools can guide you step by step. In today's video, I'll show you the best AI tools that can help you write the research methodology chapter for your thesis or research paper using one simple example. Let's see how. Step 1. Choose your research design. Our example topic is Impact of Social Media on Youth. Start by asking ChatGPT. Suggest the most suitable research methodology for this topic. It may recommend quantitative research, cross-sectional survey design, positivist research philosophy. Within seconds, you have a solid foundation. Step 2. Sampling and participants. Next, ask, who should be my target population? For this topic, the AI might suggest university students aged 18 to 25. Sample size, 300 respondents. Simple random sampling or convenient sampling. No need to search multiple books to understand these concepts. Step 3. Questionnaire and variables. Now ask ChatGPT or Gemini. Create a questionnaire for measuring the impact of social media on youth. The AI can generate Likert scale questions, such as, I spend more than 3 hours daily on social media. Social media affects my academic performance. Using social media improves my communication skills. You can even ask AI to identify your independent variable, dependent variable, and control variables. Step 4. Create research objectives and hypotheses. Now, ask AI. Generate research objectives and hypotheses for the topic Impact of Social Media on Youth. AI may suggest objective, to examine how social media usage affects the academic, social, and psychological well-being of youth. Hypothesis, H1, social media usage significantly affects youth mental health. H2, social media usage significantly affects academic performance. This saves hours of brainstorming and helps align your entire methodology. Step 5. Select measurement scales. Next, ask, suggest measurement scales for my questionnaire. AI can recommend 5-point Likert scale, strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. It can also suggest validated scales from previous research studies for better reliability. Step 6. Reliability, validity, and ethical considerations. Ask AI. Explain reliability, validity, and ethical considerations for my study. AI may suggest Cronbach's alpha for reliability, expert review or pilot testing for validity, informed consent from participants, confidentiality and anonymity. Participation should be completely voluntary. Adding these elements makes your methodology stronger and more academically acceptable. Step 7. Data analysis tools. Finally, ask AI, which statistical tests should I use? For this research, it may recommend descriptive statistics, correlation analysis, regression analysis, SPSS or Smart PLS for data analysis. Now your complete methodology is ready, from research design all the way to data analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. In the next video, I'll show you how AI can generate your literature review with proper academic references in just a few clicks. See you in the next one!